They destroyed my tire. They climbed something and destroyed the tire totally. Okay, go. Annyeonghaseyo. No, I just had to swallow it. Why is your skin like this? And you're giving congratulations, you get. So I'm gonna be doing my night routine. Welcome to another Vivian vlog. Obviously, I am Vivian. Hi everybody, so how you guys doing? It's a new YouTube channel. Yeah, this is going to be for vlogs and what I eat in a day. Yeah, I'm gonna be posting everything on this channel, and I would love you guys to subscribe. So today I'm going to be filming my daily activity plus what I eat in a day, and also about growing on YouTube. I have a channel I have been posting on. I haven't even grown a bit, and I said, and I'm opening this one, pressing myself twice without knowing if I'm gonna get something out of this. So let's try some brown cracker. This is a food I usually enjoy when I was very small. My mom usually buys it and it's been good. I've not had it in a while and I decided to get it today. I didn't even know they still sell it. And guys, it wasn't bad. It's just to heat up some oil. Make sure the oil is very hot, then drop your cracker inside. You can have this with anything at all. I had this with salad and it was so good. It went so together. I forgot to film what this salad actually has, but it has a lot of proteins. It has snail, it has gizzard, it has chicken, it has beef, then a whole lot of other things, but it has so much calories because there was a lot of mayonnaise and milk and meat. Yeah, my special cream. Then I got back to work. If you guys don't know, I'm an interior designer and a decorator, and today I was working on my kitchen because it was a mess and it's so convenient working at home. My second meal of the day is the salad again without the cream. This is the healthiest version of salad and I really liked this. I was working a lot, so I got really hungry. I asked my help to make noodles for me, but trust me guys, I didn't finish this. I eat usually one, so I was sharing it with my husband. So he eats 3 and I eat 1. So this thing was 4 noodles and I just eat 1 out of it. I don't know if I'm doing this YouTube thing very well, this vlog thing, like voiceovers. If I am not doing it well, please let me know and I'll give directions. So my friend came around, like I told you guys in my first vlog that my friend came around. She was in my house for a week and she came for something important. So we decided to hang out. We hung out a lot. So this is the first hangout. We went to this mall. It is the Purple Mall Lekki, because wanted to go skating or something fun there, but the only fun thing here is skating. Actually, that is where we ended up. My sister also came with us and I didn't realize that there was an escalator in this mall and she's so scared of escalators. But guys, it's so fun watching her get scared of it and it's so funny guys. But someone helped her come up because I couldn't help her come up because I wasn't really stable on that escalator. So in order not to get her injured or get myself injured, so when we got to the skate city, we saw a lot of games. We're going to we're currently at Skate City and we're going to start with the shooting, and Onyi will be doing the shooting. I can't do that please, I'm a soft girl, and Kasara is also going to do the shooting. They're bad girls. I was not informed about this outing, so don't mind how I look. They're bad girls, so that's why they're shooting. I'm a good girl. Sorry.
Look at this now.
Okay, this type of videos. But like, if we don't pay, you're not going to do us the video.
You know, if you can do this thing, like you get
no.
Wow, this looks good. So I'm having a terrible day. These people, these valet people I gave my car to park for me, destroyed my tires. Can you see? They destroyed my tire. They climbed something and destroyed the tire totally. So it's like I'm having a really bad day already. We're back from Populiki and we're here to get some chops to enjoy ourselves after the stuff that happened to us. Hi guys, it's currently midnight and we're having fun!
Yay, with chops.
We're eating chops, guys.
Yes.
Don't worry, by the time you're within my lights from table, oh my god, everywhere is gonna be lit. Literally lit.
Hi, everybody.
Hello, girls.
Hi. Hi. So we are here to teach some guys how to,
We're just gonna go home,
If you're ready, hit us up.
We can teach you girls
Yes, for free.
for free. 100k. So I currently just got back home from my outing. I had a good day. Started with a terrible day, but ended with a good day. We had fun. So I'm gonna be doing my night routine. So my oil cleanser is from Elizabeth Arden. I recently got this oil cleanser. I don't know if that's what's breaking me out, but I've been breaking out when before I stay using it. Well, now I thought it was gonna stop, but it just kept on coming. Or maybe because my period is coming closer. And guys, you will not notice I have makeup on, but I had like a no makeup look. And the foundation was from a Korean brand, guys. Can you imagine that a Korean brand could get my skin color? Like, just used the concealer and I looked so flawless. Everyone was like, wow, you didn't apply anything but your skin looks so good. Yeah, to make it foam. So this is how oil cleansers are. So when your face is a little bit damp, I know some of you will be done with your cleansing, but we're not done. The second cleanse is, this is the CeraVe cleanser. It is so mild because guys, I've been breaking out really bad, and the breakout is not just the type that comes and goes. It forms a dark spot, a huge dark spot on my face. And I've not had the zeal to sell skincare and give consultation ever since it started. Because some of my customers will be like, why is your skin like this? And you're giving consultations, you get. Now my skin is squeaky clean. Let's start over my skincare routine. Please make sure you brush your teeth before cleansing your face. So for my night routine, so for my first step would be the Aqua pH balancing essence. It's like a spray. Ever since I started using it, my skin has been less dry. You know, a dehydrated skin is not by touching it or by seeing too much oil. You might have an oily face and your skin will still be dehydrated. So this helps me. I had to let my face dry before going in with my tretinoin. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. And for treatment, you need just a pea-sized amount. So this one I got on my hand is like so enough. So the little, the better. And make sure you avoid your eye area. Finally is the moisturizer. This is from Conscious Chemist. It will help seal it immediately, and make sure you go in with a very thick moisturizer because you don't want your skin to start reacting to whatever. So this method I did is more like a sandwich method. Okay, not really a sandwich method though, but it's a method that I usually use. But if you're a beginner, you should go for the sandwich method. I had my bath, then I went to sleep. Yeah, because it's cold actually.
Good morning, guys. So it's a new day and it's public holidays here in Lagos State because of the election. So I want to show you guys some of my morning routine here. And today we're going to be doing this. It helps with my cellulite on my laps. Yeah. So first thing I do is to use the oil. If you have someone to do it for you, you can actually get some, but I'm doing it myself. And it takes like 30 minutes or less, depending on. Once you start doing it, your body will start itching you. Means the fat is dissolving.
I realized that most people do not like breakfast, like they do not take breakfast, and I don't know why. I take breakfast, like sometimes I might not take dinner, but I'll make sure I take breakfast or at least brunch. So today I'll be making suya rice. Guys, I was thinking I had suya in the freezer because I got some the previous day. I didn't know that there are some animals, some crawling insects that go to the fridge, the freezer to take the suya. So I had very little chunks of suya remaining, and it wasn't really enough to be called the suya rice, but it was okay. And if you're trying to learn how to cook all the stir fry rice, the first thing you need to have in mind is to toast your rice, because if you don't toast your rice, it's going to get soggy. Yeah. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Soju with my arabashi.
We're going to try it.
We're trying soju for the first time.
For the first time?
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes. Wish us luck. Hopefully, the whole hype behind it will work it. Try first.
So good.
It's so cute.
I just had to swallow it. This doesn't taste nice at all.
Really terrible. Fill it up. I want this cold. Let's cook it fast.
You don't start. You don't start.
What do you think? Pepper. Or something slightly. Let's see what the rice first.
Okay,
Then I will serve the other one. So we're going to our second location today, guys.
Hi everybody, we are going out to have some fun. Yeah.
We're finally at Adetukumbo Adelola.
Okay. I'm not seeing Frosty Pops. Okay, so never. Guys. Okay.
That's a call. Or we have romantic.
Okay, how much is the soft salad?
The small one 6.7, wide and large 7.5.
Okay.
Did you say good? Oh yes! What the fuck? What the heck?
What the hell?
I got it on camera.
I feel like it was too full.
Yes.